Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Optima headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some protective gloves. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. For an added layer of safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. This simple step helps prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the replacement process, keeping you safe and sound. Now, let's get to the headlight bulb itself. Begin by opening the hood and locating the specific headlight assembly you need to work on. You might find some plastic covers or fasteners, such as clips or small bolts, that are blocking your access. Gently remove these. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling it straight off. Some Kia Optima models might also require you to remove 1 or 2 10mm bolts to fully access the housing. With access clear, it's time to replace the bulb. The old bulb is usually held in place by a clip or a twist lock mechanism. Gently twist it about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise or unclip it to remove. When handling the new bulb, it is very important to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly oriented for the best light beam focus. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Reconnect the electrical connector securely to the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, reattach any plastic covers or fasteners that you removed earlier, making sure they are snug. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to ensure they are functioning correctly. Check both high and low beams to confirm your new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.